jewelry. So the last time we came here and we found this silver shop and we love it so much that we spent a bomb there. I'm not gonna say how much is it, but yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how the shop looks like and what are the things that they have.
That's the point, yeah. Yes. Oh,
How? Which one?
everyone suits you.
Yeah, I like this.
Yeah,
I like
this
all.
one is back.
Which one should I get? This one or this one? It looks nice though. Maybe take it. Try my own. So, if you watch the video and comment below, you get a chance to win this bracelet. So if you're a lady, you can also just clip it anywhere you want.
Okay.
Hey! 你们要去哪里？常勇，要去哪里？在那边。
我就
在那里啦。
常勇，我是听错了。
好难哦，好累哦。
叫你们搭车呀，你们不要搭车。
可是还好嘞，
还好啊。Thank you。
非常小一杯。
酒精99%。
So we are going back to the pancake place, bring our friends there. Because the pancakes that we had was very nice. The weather here is around 31 to 34 degrees. And CM has a secret weapon to show you all. 你看，没有，你看，你要看，你看见。
Yeah, what is this? 什么来的？
风扇！
哇！好屌哦！
这是风扇。
我以为是那 BB 机。
Oh my god. This is our hot chocolate. It looks so yummy. Hey, I want to try this first.
Cold brew.
It's a froth milk. Yeah, froth milk. Hey, our pancake is here. They say it's 20 minutes, but the pancake is the first to arrive. Amazing. It's yummy. Our other food is all here. Full Aussie. Toast. Shopping today, yay. You should tell them what the staff said.
The start off
Start off.
so weird, where so weird.
Rude.
那奇怪 weird,
Weird.
so weird
Yeah.
because
Mm-hmm.
he watching me
Mm-hmm.
and my friend Grace testing the is it testing?
Try.
Trying the closest and then
Clothes.
he told me cannot try. I don't know why he don't want to tell you. He watching me like my fault, you know. No try.
I tried this for 4-5次了。
哦，你来这边了。
I'm excited to get this. Finally in the taxi, and we are heading to play Mario Kart. It's not Mario Kart,
No.
but the go kart. Under 现在几度啊 36 degrees. Yay! We are finally here. Are you excited? Excited. Look at all the cars. Hi, thank you. There's a lot of costumes there. But I think if 我们穿这些衣服，我们应该会热死。Look at this, man. All you need is your passport while you're driving and the international license. You cannot bring any phones. You can take a little small pouch to put the passport. Yeah. I'm not gonna bring my camera, so I'm gonna put it here. Bye.
Okay, we just take the piece.
Step number 1, here on your left side behind you is your key. Okay, you turn it on. Step 2, press and hold brake. Step 3, you see the yellow trigger here? That's our ignition button. We hold that too. And while holding both, same time gas. Okay? So brake, hold, ignition, hold. When you hear the sound,
Oh my god, the sun is crazy! But it's very fun! So anyway, some tips if you want to come to the go-kart is you have to make sure that you go to the toilet first to pee before you ride the kart. If not, like you know, the tremble will just make you want to pee so badly. I had to rush to the toilet
shake your
after.
bladder.
Yeah, you'll shake your bladder. So I had to rush to the toilet after that, and the toilet is like 3 to 4 minutes away. And other than that, if you are coming in the day, wear sunglasses because if not your eyes cannot open. And best to wear something like an outerwear so you don't get burnt during summer. And sunblock. Yeah, because I already feel like I have 2 tones now or 2 shades. So yeah, here are the tips and I'm very happy. How's your experience?
It's very fun, but
Some
a
more.
lot of sand goes into your eyes.
Went into your eyes.
Yeah, it went into my eyes. Then you have to focus as well because there's a lot of traffic.
No, you just drive very slow, please. I 玩那个 catch it UFO catcher. Ah no! Let me see if there's any gachapon in frog or caterpillar. So are you excited for your traditional Japanese breakfast?
Not traditional.
I'm just excited for breakfast.
Yeah.
Traditional Japanese breakfast. We need a Google Translate. My Japanese breakfast is a chicken porridge with a few side dishes. Shut up, man. And Suming ordered this fish set meal.
Itadakimasu.
Susan is also having fish. 好吃吗？
我觉得好吃，很好喝。 We are now at Scramble Square because the last time we came, Shibuya Scramble Square. Because the last time we came here, we went to Shibuya Sky, but we didn't really have the chance to shop here. And I think there's a lot of shops here to shop around, so we decided to come in and check out the stores. how you protect your makeup. Protect the makeup and protect the clothes from getting stained. It's a nice look. And what time is it now? Well, it's almost 9 and we are very hungry already. But then we decided to shop first because I don't have any clothes anymore. And also because I love shopping. Now we're going into this sushi store that Zuming found on Google Maps. It opens at 11 and it closes at 5 a.m. I hope that is nice. Then you all can come and try. So sushi zanmai. Zanmai. It's called Kamatoro. Because it melts, right? Then you feel like you're just biting something. But it tastes good, but it's just not as what I expected, but it's very good. I don't know. Yeah, it's very good. We just got back to our hotel. And now I'm just going to worry about how we are going to pack all our shopping stuff into the luggage. So good luck to us. I finally finished packing all the things onto the bed. And my luggages are there. Yay! Oh my god, my eyes are closing, guys. I am very sleepy already. But we just want to finish the vlog. Thank you all for watching the vlog. I hope that you have enjoyed the content that we have made. Because while I was watching the videos and the clips that we have made, right, I just think that it was quite fun. And I hope that you enjoyed the moment with us. And yeah.
We also have a giveaway for people that watch throughout the end. And it's a bracelet from kensscratch. To be eligible, just have to comment your favorite moment of this video. And then we'll send it out to you guys. To the winner. Yeah.
Yes. You can be as creative as possible. You can put as many comments as possible, so I will, spot your name and remember your name. I will be picking the winner by the date that is mentioned in the description box below. So thank you and good night.